Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Smile Road. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel for you, senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real life problems in general mathematics, and learn how these subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons. It's using simple explanations, real life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. When you're reviewing for exams, catching up on your class topics, or even curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. For today's lesson number one, it's about meaning of physics, matter, energy, interaction of matter and energy, and MCQ. So this is quarter 1 P6 grade 11 general science. What is your first reaction when you hear the word physics? Did you imagine working through difficult equations or memorizing formulas that seem to have no real life use in life outside the physics classroom? Many people come to the subject of physics with a bit of fear. As you begin your exploration of this broad ranging subject, you may soon come to realize that physics plays a much larger role in your life than your first thought. No matter how your life goes or career choice. Physics is the branch of science that studies matter, energy, and how they interact with each other. It helps us understand how things move, like cars, people, or planets, how forces work, like gravity or friction, how energy is transferred, like electricity or heat, and how light, sound, and waves behave. So physics is all around us. It explains things we see and use every day, from why we don't fall off the earth to how cell phones and microwaves work. In short, physics help us understand how the world works and how we use that knowledge to solve problems to improve our lives. Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. Everything around you is made of matter, like the air you breathe, the water you drink, your phone, your clothes, and even your own body. Matter exists in different states of form, such as solid, like ice or chair, which has a fixed shape; liquid, like water or juice, which takes the shape of its container; gas, like air or steam, spreads out to fill space; plasma, like lightning or the sun's energy. Matter is made up of tiny particles called atoms, and studying matter helps us understand how things behave, change, and interact. Energy is the ability to do work or cause change. We need energy to move things like cars or people, heat objects like cooking food, make light like turning on a lamp, and power machines like computers or TVs. These are There are different forms of energy such as kinetic energy, potential energy, thermal energy, electrical energy, light energy, sound energy. And then energy cannot be created or destroyed. It can only changes from it only changes form. This is called the law of conservation of energy. Matter is anything, is what things are made of. Energy is what makes things happen. When energy interacts with matter, it can change how matter behaves. This is called the interaction of matter and energy. Here are some easy examples. When you heat water, the water changes into steam. When you kick a ball, your, your energy makes the ball, which is matter, move. When sunlight, which is energy, hits a plant, which is matter, it helps the plant grow through photosynthesis. When you eat food, your body gets energy from the matter in the food. So this interaction happens everywhere, all the time, in cooking, moving, growing, and even thinking. In short, energy causes matter to move, change, or react. And matter stores or transfers energy in many ways. Branches of physics. Number one, mechanics is a study of motion, forces, and energy. Examples, moving cars, falling objects, or jumping people. Thermodynamics, study of heat and temperature and how they affect matter. Examples, boiling water, engines, refrigerators. Number three, waves and optics. Study of sound, light, and how they travel and interact. Examples, music, mirrors, eyeglasses, rainbows. Number four, electricity and magnetism. Electromagnetism, a study of electric charges, currents, and magnetic fields. Examples, power lines, electric fans, magnets, and cell phones. Modern physics, a study of tiny particles like atoms and very fast speeds or large energies. Includes quantum physics and relativity. Examples, nuclear power, lasers, and GPS satellites. Number six, nuclear physics, study of the nucleus of atoms and nuclear energy. Examples, nuclear power, plants, radiation, and medical scans. We have astrophysics, a study of stars, planets, galaxies, and the universe. Examples, black holes, space travel, and telescope. We have now the MCQ of our lesson number one. The first one, what is a common first reaction people have when they hear the word physics? Letter A, excitement about cooking. Letter B, fear of complex math and formulas. Letter C, interest in history. Letter D, curiosity about languages. Number two, what does physics study? Letter A, numbers and equations. Letter B, matter, energy, and their interactions. C, human behavior. D, political systems. Number three, why physics why is physics important in our daily lives? Letter A, it helps us cook faster. It explains real-world phenomena we experience every day. It predicts economic trends. It teaches us grammars. Number four, which of the following is not a focus of physics? Letter A, how plants photosynthesize. B, how things move. Letter C, how forces work. Letter D, how energy is transferred. Number five, physics can help explain which of the following everyday objects. Letter A newspaper article. Letter B, cell phone. Letter C, a novel. Letter D, a painting. Number six, what is matter? Letter A, anything that has mass and takes up space. Letter B, anything that can be seen. Letter C, anything made of water. Letter D, anything that produces light. Number seven, which of the following is an example of a solid? Letter A, steam. Letter B, ice. Letter C, juice. Letter D, air. Number 8, a liquid is best described as having no volumes or shape. Letter B, having a fixed shape. Letter C, taking the shape of its container. Letter D, having visible particles. Number 9. What state of matter spreads out to fill any space? Letter A, solid. Letter B, liquid. Letter C, gas. Letter D, plasma. Number 10. What is an example of plasma? Letter A, rain. Letter B, ice. Letter C, lightning. Letter D, juice. Next, number 11. What are atoms? Letter A, large particles of energy. Letter B, tiny particles that make up matter. Letter C, pieces of light. Letter D, units of sound. Number 12. What is energy? Letter A, type of matter. Letter B, the ability to do work or cause change, anything visible. Letter D, a form of solid. Number 13. Which of the following is not a use of energy? A, sleeping. Letter B, moving cars. Letter C, heating food. Letter D, powering machines. Number 14. What type of energy is stored in a stretched rubber band? Letter A, thermal. Letter B, electrical. Letter C, potential. Letter D, sound. Number 15. What type of energy comes from moving objects? Letter A, potential. Letter B, kinetic. Letter C, electrical. Letter D, nuclear. Number 16. Thermal energy is related to letter A, light. Letter B, movement. Letter C, heat. Letter D, sound. Number 17. What is the law of conservation of energy? Letter A, energy can be created from matter. Letter B, energy is never used up. Letter C, energy cannot be created or destroyed. Letter D, energy only exists in one form. Number 18, when energy interacts with matter, it can disappear. Letter A. Letter B, cause matter to change or move. Letter C, stop existing. Letter D, stay the same forever. Number 19. Which example best shows the interaction of matter and energy? Letter A, reading a book. Letter B, boiling water into steam. Letter C, taking a test. Letter D, writing an essay. And the last but not the least, number 20, kicking a ball shows the interaction of A, gravity and space. Letter B, energy and sound. Letter C, energy and matter. Letter D, time and flight. For the answers of this MCQ for lesson 1, you will hear it next meeting. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery.